Hi guys, I made this asset for a tutorial to show my add-ons, for example Speedflow. With Speedflow you will be able to create procedural modeling with modifiers. For example, if I select this object here, I will have a bunch of modifiers. If I hide the modifiers, as you can see, this is just that. If I select this one, this is just a plane. This one, this is some edges. Okay, so as you can see with the add-on, you can create something that is almost finished. You can zoom and see that the result is perfect, like that. You can, let's see, come here and zoom a lot and see everything as you want. Okay, so as you can see, everything works perfectly. And I made the add-on to do that, to be able to create assets, to make pictures, and to don't have to take a lot of time to finalize my object. If we go, for example, in overlays and show the studio mode, you will see that this is the object I have. With modifiers, you can have this kind of result, and like I said, this is just some edges, like that. And if you go back to the render, up, you hide this, you will see that everything works perfectly, as you can see. So don't hesitate to check my portfolio and my store to check for the add-on. For example, for this project I use Speedflow to create the modeling. I use Betterpie menu for the shading, lighting, rendering, etc, etc. Okay, so see you later for another project.